Now we're going to remove the clutch. First thing you want to do is if it's an LI or SX or any Series 1s or through Series 3s, you want to pull that little thimble out and set that aside so you don't lose it. On GPs, that's not going to be an issue. And then you need your clutch puller. If you don't have one, you can't proceed. So get yourself a clutch puller. So now you just want to tension the clutch with your puller till it stops. You don't need anything more than that. And then you just got to remove this giant circlip. And sometimes you might need a screwdriver to push on it. On this one, I did not. We can skirt that out of the way and set that aside. And then we can release the tension on the clutch. And now we can remove the clutch puller. Now the clutch puller is out of the way, we can actually just withdraw the clutch itself. You can lift that out. You can see this has been sitting a while because it's all kind of stuck together. And set that aside. I usually like to bag all this stuff. And now we'll actually have to remove this. And what I like to do with tab washers is I'll go ahead and use I have a beater screwdriver that I use just to get it away a little bit. And kind of get it started. And now that it's started, we'll actually finish it with our socket. So I'll just get that lined up. Give it a little tap, and that'll knock that down far enough so that you can get a good bite on the nut. And then we need our clutch holding tool. If you don't have one of these, get one or you cannot proceed safely. So now that you have this in place, I usually just stuff something in here as a holder so I'm not pushing against the bolts in case there's a thread or something there that I could chew up. Like that. And then this is just a normal thread. And you can just remove your holding tool. And now we'll be able to withdraw the center. And then there's bearings in there. This is a Cervetta, so it doesn't have the bushing. And then we can just lift that out. And then we have the clutch out.